Save Dataframe to CSV directly to S3 Python. I have a pandas Dataframe that I want to upload to a new CSV file. The problem is that I don't want to save the file locally before transferring it to S3. Is there any method like to _CSV for writing the Dataframe to S3 directly? I am using Boto 3. Here is what I have so far.
You can use
You can directly use the S3 path. I am using pandas 0.24.1. Release note. S3 file handling pandas now uses Cephs for handling S3 connections. This shouldn't break any code. However, since Cephs is not a required dependency, you will need to install it separately, like Boto in prior versions of pandas. GH11915.
I like Cephs, which lets you use S3, almost, like a local file system. You can do this. Ceph supports only RB and WB modes of opening the file. That's why I did this bytes _ to _ write stuff.
This is a more up-to-date answer. The problem with Stringio is that it will eat away at your memory. With this method, you are streaming the file to S3, rather than converting it to string, then writing it into S3. Holding the pandas data frame and its string copy in memory seems very inefficient. If you are working in an EC2 instant, you can give it an EOM role to enable writing it to S3, thus you don't need to pass in credentials directly. However, you can also connect to a bucket by passing credentials to the Cephfile system function. See documentation, this URL.
If you want to see more classic on CP6 DB,